For them, you calibrate a button by button. Button by button. When you're gonna, on another machines, you only calibrate one button like double restorator. Also this side, you calibrate it. But these ones, some of all of us, we are going to have a chance of calibrating. Restorator, when you put 18, the yield is 18. You can calibrate it. Espresso, 18 times 2, that is 1 to 2. You get how much? 36. If you go in the cafe, they are using 19 times 2, that is 38. If they are using 20, their dose is 20 times 2, that is
40.
Very easy to calculate. Coffee is easy to calculate. So, we are going to start with double espresso. That is the most common button we are using in cafe or in this side of commercial. We get it. So, we are going to get the dose of 18 and you put here. But the first thing we're going to do to first see how much we are getting from this button. That is why we were first to be sure that where we are getting our dose is perfect. Then we are coming here to yield. Is it giving us the perfect or the machine is slow? If it is slow, we have to calibrate it. If it is too fast, why is it too fast? If it is too fast, either is a grand size, is too fine, is not fine enough, or if it is too fast, which means that the grand size is big. That is why we started on the grinder. We get it? Good. Then we are starting with dose. The dose we are going to get is supposed to be 18. The dose is
18.4.
Thank you. So that is the perfect. Then we distribute. Even if we don't tamper. So then we insert our portafilter, barista glass. How you can know that you are getting a perfect yield? Timer and a button. Exactly 5 seconds was already started. Extracting. It's going to stop itself, not us. So what we get? We get the yield is 38, the second is 37. Which means that has entered or has added some to yield on the yield we need of 36. Which means that we have to calibrate it to reduce. And when you test on this, it is too sour. If you remember the espresso, Teacher Solomon did it for you, it was too sour. Which means that the yield is too much. We get it. In espresso, if the water is too much or if the yield is too much, that espresso you're making is going to become too sour instead of balanced. Yeah, even espresso can be balanced. Yes, it will be strong, but it will be balanced. Thank you.
Yeah, can I pour these ones?
Yeah, you can. So that is 18. Then we tamper. Then we flush. So by this time, we are going to calibrate. Longer place the menu button. Longer place the menu button. Now is asking which button are we going to calibrate. That is why all of them is blinking. Okay? So you tear the cup, the glass, then 1 to go. This button, that is the one we are placing. And we are going to stop with the menu button.
Okay.
We get it?
Yes.
Good. Then 1 to go. At 32, we're going to stop to get 36. Remember, this one is double shot.
Can I stop?
This side.
This side.
You were supposed to stop. Now, my lead. You were supposed to stop time.
This one is yield.
This is the yield. This is the time.
But it's perfect.
How do you know that it's perfect when you remove the dust?
We can measure it. What was the
But some components will stay here. Some components, it will stay in that glass. See, that is 35. Manyeri heavy.
Same here.